Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. In today's video, I have come up with a destination just 2.5 hours from Mumbai and 1.5 hours from Pune. I'm talking about Aamby Valley City, 10,000-acre well-planned hill city in Lonavala. 2,700 feet above the sea level, Aamby Valley City is India's first independent well-planned hill city, spreaded over 10,000 acres of land, which is a great fusion of nature and a human creation. Out of total 10,000 acres, 91% of the land is kept open as commitment to environment. As soon as you enter to the city, you will be amazed to see the most amazing architecture of Twin Gate Arch and the Great Bharat Mata. Now we'll start with the room tour. This is Cabana, one of the most romantic accommodation at Lakeside, which have private plunge pool and deck area. You can also arrange a romantic candlelight dinner at the poolside deck. This is Timber Chalet area, where you have Aussie room and Aussie suite. This is Aussie suite, which has an amazing wooden interior, which offer lots of privacy with an elegant living room and a bedroom with open jacuzzi. This is Aussie room, a lavishly furnished room with a private deck with a beautiful view. This is Bummy Chalet, which offers peace with luxury because of its fantastic mountain view and the interior. This is Hermitage, the impressively furnished interior with a wooden decor located on a hilltop. It pampers your experience with a wonderful 180 view of the hill city. This is Spanish Cottage, a spacious room with elegant interior which has beautiful valley view and backdrop of Coraigarh Fort. Aamby Valley offer all kind of water sport activity at wetland like jet ski, speedboat, pontoon boat, banana rides and many more. At 19 degree north, you can experience all kind of adventure activities like ATV ride, paintball shooting, jobbing, rappelling, zipline, rock climbing, jungle safari. This is 18-hole day and night PGA approved golf course and training academy, spread over 256 acres. Thank you very much for watching this. If you like my video, please like, share and comment your feedback. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit on the bell icon to get the regular update. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.